Hello. Please could someone help me? It's been 11 days since my Instagram hasn't let me log in. About 11 days ago I went to change my password and then it wouldn't let me log back in with my new password. I tried to reset it by sending an email, a text code, but although they let me change the password again it wouldn't let me log in. It kept saying error challenge required. I tried to log in on my computer and it comes up with continue as X. However, if I press it, it just refreshes back to the same page, and if I press it more than twice it says sorry, please try again later. I have waited a few days and tried everything. I deleted, cleared cache/data, checked for updates, sent in a photo with a number to Facebook and was sent a link that didn't work, waited a few days and still getting the error challenge required, and doesn't let me continue with my Facebook. I have disconnected my account/deleted third-party apps as well. Is this an Instagram bug? Anyone else been waiting this time length as well?
These are the words of a Reddit user on the problem challenge-required error Instagram, and the solution is on the other side of this intro. Before we jump into the solution, first let us understand this issue. The challenge-required error on Instagram is encountered when the platform detects suspicious activity or potential violation of its community guidelines. Users are prompted to complete additional verification steps such as solving a CAPTCHA or providing a phone number to regain access to their account and ensure security. Now, it's solution time. Fix 1. Go to the Google search Instagram login. It should bring you to desktop page. Log in, then put your phone number, click confirm, and it should send you a verification code via text. Paste the code and log in. Restart the app and it should work. Hope this helps. Fix 2 was given by a Reddit user. Posted,
"Hello. I just had the same problem about half an hour ago. I went to the Instagram website on Google and tapped on forgot password and logged in with the link sent to my Gmail. It said I violated their guidelines or SMTH, but I hadn't been active on IG for the past 3 weeks or so. It may be a bug. Anyways, this is for anyone who hasn't been able to log in. Hope this helps."
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.